Hey, this is Daniel with Superior Roofing. Today we're at the Springdale Airport doing a metal roofing retrofit. So the retrofit consists of basically 3 layers. We got flute filler. That fills the area in between the ribs of the metal roof, bringing us up to a flat working surface. And then we come back with our 2-inch ISO board. 2-inch ISO will add some R value to this building. And then we're going on top with our 60 mil TPO. That's kind of our finished 3-part system. This retrofit's a great system for manufacturing facilities, warehouses, anybody storing a bunch of product. Obviously, these are airplane hangars. You know, you got $5 to $10 million jets in these buildings. We're just going right over the top of the metal, never exposing any of the interior to the elements. We're attaching it today using a Rhino bond system. The TPO is going to be welded directly to the plates, so you're not going to have any exposed fasteners. You got 2 different types of plates. You got the silver plates and the gold plates. The silver 4-inch plate is just for fastening down the ISO board, and then the TPO is welded directly to the gold plate.